Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Class 3 English. So, here we go, students. As we discussed, activity 5th of chapter 4th. So, let's move towards the activity 6th. Here, reading the sentences about the steps taken by Mr. Rabbit, we are here having some sentences like Mr. Rabbit got a very long and strong rope, bought a big drum and hid it in the bushes, asked Mr. Well to help him bring out the cows stuck in the mud, also pleased Mr. Well by saying that no one is as strong as Mr. Well. Mr. Rabbit pleased Mr. Elephant by saying that he is strong and big. Mr. Elephant asked both of them to pull the rope when he beats the drum. So here, students, we can see by looking at the sentences that this is the brief overview of the whole story, that Mr. Rabbit played a prank. So here we have two questions. Did you like the prank played by Mr. Rabbit? And what do you like most about Mr. Rabbit? So students, as you can see that we obviously liked the prank which was played by Mr. Rabbit because he laughed and he also fooled the two biggest creatures, one of the land and other of the sea. So yes, we liked the prank played by Mr. Rabbit. So answer of question first is yes. What did you like most about Mr. Rabbit? Obviously his sense of prank he played. So now student, let's go further on activity 3, which is work in groups, collect some objects like pencil, erasers, etc. from all the groups, etc. the biggest. So this you can do, students, on your own. Now move on the part B, which is read the following sentences about Laura and then answer the questions about her family. Here let's look at the story. Hello, my name is Laura. I am 11 years old. This is my family. My mummy is taller than my dad. My uncle Pablo is 35 years old and my aunt Betty is 30 years old. They are both shorter than mummy. I also have little cousin Bang Bang and he is older than my little sister. So, by looking again at the story, let's answer the following questions. So students, here, who is the tallest? By looking at the story, we can say that Laura's mummy is the tallest. Also, who is the youngest? Laura's little sister is the youngest because he is youngest of all the family members. Is Laura's dad taller than her mummy? No, her mother is taller than her dad. So obviously the answer is no. Who is older, Betty or Pablo? Pablo is older, of course. So let's move towards the activity 8, students. First we will look at the activity, okay? So students, let's go. Here we have to compare about CD-ROM and the books. All the informations in the enormous encyclopedia Britannica now comes on one disk. Which do you prefer, the CD-ROM or the set of 30 books? Let's compare them. The CD-ROM is smaller and lighter than the books and it is cheaper. We think it's more interesting too because it has video and sound. You can hear animals, musical instruments and famous people talking. So some people may think the 30 books are good, but we think the CD-ROM is better. What do you think? So obviously it is about, like students, we are carrying now many of the songs and also many movies in a single CD. But We can also have the same books in a hard copy also, like we have to roam with the books everywhere, carrying 2 to 3 books each and every time, rather than if we are having a CD-ROM, we can collect the PDF of all the 3 books in a single CD-ROM. So I think now you are all clear about this amazing story, or we can say the comparison. So let's move towards the question of this story. So students, here we are. Which is heavier? Obviously the books are heavier, students. In CD, we are carrying a single CD which is having all the 3 books, or we are carrying the 3 books in a single, or with the help of 2 hands. So obviously the books are heavier than the CD-ROM. Which of the articles is more boring? Books. Because by reading or by watching the things from CD-ROM, it is more interesting. Are the books bigger than the CD-ROM? Yes, books are bigger than the CD-ROM because they are having the lot of pages and everything, and in CD we are having just the PDF of that single book. Is the CD-ROM more expensive than the books? No, it is cheaper. Books are more expensive. The CD-ROM are very much cheaper, and we can collect the data of books, or we can copy to CD-ROM in free of cost. So obviously the CD-ROM is very much cheaper and the books are expensive. Now students, activity 9 is about weight and measure different things you have at home. Write 4 sentences comparing their size, weight, etc. One is done for you, like my brother's cycle is bigger than mine, the ball is I have is bigger than one of my brothers has. But this is not much important. You can collect the data, you can have fun with this activity, but it is not of a question answer or something. So just follow the example and have a note of it. Just have fun by comparing the things using the grammar well. Okay, and by activity 10, look at these pictures and compare them using the activities in the box. So it is like comparing the things with their objective or the adjective, we can say: big, expensive, fast, heavy, light. So for example, I will brief you with this activity. Cycle is lighter than aeroplane. Car is heavier than the cycle. Aeroplane is heaviest of all the 3 objects. So these are the adjectives, and this works in this manner only. Okay, so students, as we know, we have discussed the whole chapter 4, and thanks. And now from the next lecture onwards, we will start our unit 5th. Thank you, students.